America faces critical issues in 2023 and beyond. Challenges that need big solutions, not small government. In 1956, the Republican Party stood for something more. They believed in assisting low-income communities, protecting Social Security, providing asylum to refugees, extending minimum wage, improving unemployment benefits, strengthening labor laws, and equal pay regardless of sex. But today's Republican Party has lost its way. They advocate for small government and less spending, policies that cannot address our nation's critical issues. They increase the national debt and threaten to dismantle Social Security. They offer no comprehensive solutions to immigration, student debt, and healthcare. Best-selling author Gene P. Abel shares a thought-provoking literary masterpiece with the 2023 edition of his book, Broken Promises and Lies of the Republicans. Gene Abel brings a successful and diverse educational and professional background to his writing. The author did not just write down opinions. He based this book on facts and extensive research findings from non-political sources. The book tackles issues like background checks for gun purchase, immigration, tax reform, the national debt, rebuilding our infrastructure, and global warming. These issues haven't been solved by presidents from the Conservative Party. The book also highlights the impact of the Trump presidency to the country and what can be done to solve these issues. There hasn't been a president since Franklin D. Roosevelt who has signed as many significant bills into law that have enhanced the well-being of the American people. Voters cannot be sure the Democrats will resolve all the major issues we face. However, they can be 100% certain that Republicans will resolve none of our problems. It's time to take action. We must prevent the grand old party from controlling the White House, House of Representatives, and Senate. We must increase taxes for the wealthiest Americans and end tax loopholes. We must prevent the government from ever increasing the national debt. Join us in restoring America's greatness. Return the grand old party to what it stood for in 1956. Our future depends on it. Broken Promises and Lies of the Republicans. Written by Gene P. Abel. Available online in softcover and ebook format. Softcover copies are also available at your local bookstore. To know more about the author and see all his published titles, you can visit his website at www.genepabelbooks.com